The Bosch GXL18 volts 26B 22 18 volts 2-tool cordless combo kit features two reliable pro tools for drilling and driving production on the job site: the GSR 18 volts to 190.5 inches compact drill, driver, and the GDR 18 volts to 1,425 inches hex impact driver. The GSR 18 volts 190 is a powerful cordless drill designed to provide users with 480 Nm of max torque plus up to 1,700 no-load RPM of high-speed drilling. The tool weighs 2.8 pounds. It is ideal for overhead tasks, with a short head length for tight spots. The GDR 18 volts to 1,425 inches hex impact driver delivers 1,400 Nm of max torque. Bosch hammer-and-anvil system provides driving impact endurance, and the tool provides 600 blasts per minute to handle the toughest material. This kit comes with two 2.0 Ah 18V slim pack batteries and a charger for a complete cordless setup. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Combo Kit. The Bosch GXL18 volts 26B22 is a reliable compact combo kit that includes two 18 volts tools, impact driver and drill, driver, designed to fit in tight areas and to provide pro performance, along with two 2.0 Ah 18 volts batteries and a charger. Number 2. Efficient. Featuring an efficient impact driver hammer and anvil system, the combo kit delivers pro performance, with 1,400 inches-pounds of maximum torque in a lightweight tool that weighs just 2.4 pounds. Number 3. Lightweight. The included drill features a light but powerful drill motor that provides outstanding drilling production in a tool that weighs just 2.8 pounds. Number 4. Variable speed. Featuring a variable speed drill that furnishes control for high speed, 0 to 1,700 no-load RPM, and high power, 0 to 450 no-load RPM. Number 5. Power. With a robust impact driver motor, the Bosch GXL18 volts 26B22 delivers a maximum of 3,600 BPM for professional power. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.